here comes the big bag, a bag full of clothes and accessories. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tulika in Germany. This is Tulika. I hope you are doing well and keeping yourself in good health. As you've already guessed from the title of the video, this is going to be a huge Primark haul. So recently I went to the store Primark, which is the most cheapest store in Germany. And for those who don't know about this store, this is basically a store originated from UK and now it's been spread in all over the European countries. So I went to the store last week and I bought few stuff from there, few clothes, accessories. So I wanted to share with you the quality of the items and how much do they cost. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the haul. So here comes the big bag, a bag full of clothes and accessories. Now I'm going to show you guys one by one each of the items. First thing, the first item is this denim jacket, and this is how it looks. It's floral print, and here's the buttons, which are also in the similar color of brown and cream. And this is how the jacket looks from the back side. It's all over print, I can say. So this jacket cost 19 euros, and sometimes you can also get some discount on these clothes, for example 50 to 60% off, but I bought it for 19 euro. Now comes the second item, and this is a plain mustard color top. It's a v-neck, plain. You can say it's a sheer top. The quality is not that bad, and this one is only 5 euros. I think this top is the cheapest of all the items that I bought. Yeah. So now the third item, which is a beautiful midi dress. Here how it looks. It has floral prints all over, with a string here so that you could fasten it, and this dress cost only 18 euros. Compared to other stores, you could say like Zara or H&M, Primark is like the cheapest of all. This dress, I'm going to wear it and show you how it looks. So this is the dress. I forgot to mention that the dress also has a lining with it, a matching blue lining, and with this price together with the lining, I think it's a great deal. So the next item is a top. This is a plain white colored top. This top is very cute for summer especially, and this top is for only 13 euros. I don't know if you guys can see the price or not, but this is for 13 euros. So yeah. So here comes the next item, which is also a top. This is also a summer, it's a summer top or a like top for anytime, anywhere. It is an animal print top. This is sleeveless, which also had shoulder pads. I actually like the print. I like animal print. I like animal print, zebra print, all the prints. And this top is only 13 euros. Yeah, compared to other stores, it's good. It's really good for this price. So the next item is a skirt. It's a mini skirt, and this is a multicolored skirt. The finish is satiny. I like it. I'm going to experiment it with so many different tops. can also wear the sleeveless black top or a white t-shirt or an orange top. So this is how it looks. Oh, I forgot to mention the price. The price of the skirt is only 14 euros. The next item is like my favorite of all the clothes that I bought. It's a set, it's a co-ord set, you could say. It's a t-shirt with a matching skirt. This is block print, pink and red. It's so cute, and I bought it from their trending section. I mean, they have a section where they put all or hang all their trending clothes, and I got it from there. And the top cost for only 8 euro, and I think the skirt cost is similar, but let me check once. So yeah, this one also 8 euros. This also has slit on both the sides from front. It's so cute. So the next item is a night dress set, and this set is like so cheap. I think both this, I can show you. This is the t-shirt. It's a plain t-shirt, yellow colored, and with it this is a lower. So both of them cost together for 8 euros. So this is a set. It's a night dress, you could say. Next item which I bought is a tracksuit. So it's a set. I made it set, and this is the lower. This is just like a common lower of tracksuit, and this is for, I think, for around 10 euros, only 10 euros. And matching with it, I bought this sweatshirt. It's a hoodie sweatshirt with it like this. It's also plain, but wait, at the back there's printed something like inspired, something like that. So this was also for only 10 euros. So the next item are a pair of sandals which I bought, and this is in the color, I think olive, is in the color olive, and which I can style it with many cute dresses or jeans. It's a regular sandal, and this was actually in sale, and the price, I think, only 7 euros, which was unbelievable for me because here sandals are like too pricey, but these were really cheap after the discount. But the original price is like around 18 euros. I want to mention that in Primark they have like amazing collection of footwear to choose from, and I literally go crazy whenever I go to Primark. I only buy shoes, but this time I bought some clothes, other stuff, just to make a video and show it to you guys. So the last two items are, first is this clutcher, or you could say the hair clips, and this is only for 3 euros. It's a set. And the other item that I bought is mask, which are very useful, and these are, I think, 3 euro each. And guys, if you wanted to see some other haul, then do mention in the comment section below. Until then, this is Tulika saying goodbye, take care.